everybody, welcome to Heavenly Living. Today we're going to be making a delicious apple pie. Here are the ingredients. The ingredients are, you're going to be using a cutting board, a serrated knife, a potato peeler, 6 apples that are ripe, and coriander and cardamom, and some sugar. Okay, so I'm going to peel this apple. You're going to cut this right here. You don't want the stem of the apple. Put them in an apple pie, like so. Very thin, so they can cook faster. We cut them really thin. So look, that's the result. Cut them thin. Okay, so after you've cut your apples thinly, you're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of oat flour. You're gonna use your sugar, and we're gonna be adding coriander and cardamom, okay? So see, we don't use cinnamon because it irritates your stomach and it can hurt your stomach. And this is way better and a substitute, and it tastes the same, guys. So don't put coriander. Then our cardamom. Then our flour. And sugar. Okay, you're just gonna mix them all together. I have coated them. I'm gonna put them in the pie crust.
Now we made our own pie crust, but if you want to learn how to make this pie crust, please comment down below and we'll be making the video. Very easy. I highly recommend you do your own pie crust just because it's healthier. So we're going to even them out really good and we'll show you the next step. The next step is to make the strips of dough. Weave them just in a moment.
Okay, we're gonna be spreading some almond milk on top, just a little bit, so the sugar can stick onto the crust. Then it creates a crispy glaze. Gonna sprinkle some sugar on. Okay, so after you put your sugar, you're gonna be preheating your oven for 375 until the pie is golden brown. The apple pie is now ready. We've tried this many times and it comes out good. So I hope you guys try this video. Comment down below if you like it. And please subscribe. Bye-bye.